Losing the fat around the abdomen region is not always an easy task. And if you are the person who do not really enjoy exercising rigorously in the gym, breathing exercises can be the best way for you to lose belly fat fast, as it deeply helps you contour your body in a stress-free way, and delivers good results in the abdominal area. In today's video, we will share 3 easy but effective techniques that will help you lose belly fat like crazy. Don't forget to subscribe and stay with us. How to lose belly fat just breathing. Diaphragm breathing. First, lie down on your back. Start breathing normally, and observe your stomach move up and down. Now breathe deeper and deeper for each inhalation and exhalation. Continue this for 5 minutes in every morning. This breathing exercise will improve your digestion, and remove unwanted fat around the stomach area. Eventually, this will cause weight retention. Deep breathing. Sit straight on a chair, or on the floor. Place your palms on your lap and close your eyes. Now concentrate on your breathing. Start breathing normally, then take deep breaths by counting from 1 to 4 while inhaling, and 1 to 6 while exhaling. Repeat the same for another 5 minutes. Deep breathing exercise boosts the intake of oxygen, and it is great to burn down calories. By spending just 5 minutes on this exercise every day, you will be able to control your food cravings and hormonal imbalances. Also, you will feel refreshed. Flying stomach lock. Stand on your feet and touch your knees. Pull your stomach in completely. Now continue to exhale in this position, and move your chin towards your chest. Hold this position for 15 seconds, and relax slowly with normal breathing. Repeat this several times. This exercise is an advanced technique, and one of the most functional ways to lose belly fat fast. It helps to reduce the fat near your stomach, and greatly improves your digestion and metabolism. Sometimes, choosing a shorter and easier path is better to find a solution. Try these exercises, and get a flat belly fast you desired. Thanks for watching.